See the preview? That's all about it.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
We have just met up at the Vancouver Aquatic Center. We have Astea here. Cory from Main Island. I don't know if you remember last time, Cory got a bit of a flat on the way to Tsawwassen. And
quite embarrassing when you're a mechanic.
it's happened again.
And I think it's these tires, they're just cursed and I hate them. I didn't think there was a puncture, but then I pumped it up again and then I saw the puncture, so it's just fixed.
That's the one that we investigated?
Yeah.
As a reminder, pets must remain in your vehicle or in the designated pet areas on deck 4. Guide and service dogs are permitted in all passenger areas of the vessel. Remember, you are on a moving vessel that can sometimes move unexpectedly. So please use handrails, walk carefully, watch for high door sills, be careful on outer decks that may be wet, and watch out for strong winds that can knock you off balance. Help your fellow passengers stay safe by keeping luggage out of aisles and off of seats. BC Ferries is pleased to provide a smoke-free environment. Customers are reminded there is no smoking on board vessels or anywhere on terminal property. This includes the use of e-cigarettes. If you need any assistance during the voyage or when disembarking, please identify yourself to a crew member so we can help. Thank you for sailing with BC Ferries.
We are now arriving at Departure Bay in Nanaimo. Just heading into the harbor now. We're going to be berthing. Berthing, is that the verb? In a few moments. So probably going to head to our bikes in a little bit. Probably right around now. But yeah, pretty uneventful ferry ride. We're going to probably do a stop or two once we get to Nanaimo, get some drinks and some food, last minute snacks, that type of thing. And we'll be in Gabriola very shortly. Yeah. I think the rain is going to hold out, but let's see. Let's hope.
Eric already found the starfish.
I was like,
We're 27, 28, 29. Wasn't that nice on Easter long weekend when everyone was fucking raving here? Did you hear me screaming, Erica? Erica!
No, I saw you coming from there and I wanted to scream yeah boy and then I'm like, oh, when you come closer.
Nice setup.
Thank you.
Oh, camera!
Bye-bye.
envy. Sorry, there's personal
The video is going.
Alright.
Synchronized.
No helmet. So like you have a new train, but your cassette is slippery, slippery, slippery. You guys should come to Erica's
Travel buddies. I know. And then once you got your butt in.
Yo! I don't know, whatever it is. Minute left.
So then go right and then right again.
Right again.
Like it's changing with every single trail.
Like suddenly you're like covered completely. That was so sick. I would be willing to move here.
Are people hungry? Have a snack and a beer and then go to the galley? Sure.
Solid goat here.
You gotta spit. Nah. Oh, watch out. Watch out. Look at snow spitting. They're so huge. Oh my god. This is fantastic. Hey guys. What's up?
Oh, there's some stone.
Oh, they're kind of dreadlock.
Sorry.
Okay. Alright.
This guy's got like a little like leaf in it.
I know. I think we've
That's an excellent shot. This is Your dream came true.
super fancy. Oh, what is this going on? Maybe we should get out of here before things start getting stupid. Oh my god, that's it. That's gonna be a good shot.
And I'm like sitting in a car drinking a tea and I'm like, oh my god, it's so good, like warm, like water and everything.
Yeah.
And then I'm like, open the fucking lid and there's no tea bag.
And she's like, so what, like 2-3 times a week? I'm like, that would be generous. I saw a seal. So cool.
People are like jumping in the water.
That's actually kind of a small bird.
Oh god, this stick is really short.
Oh, really good on stick.
Close to him. Ow!
It's super good. Sharing is scary. But... Love it.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that looks so good.
Uh-oh.
We're not gonna sleep until we ate all the marshmallows and drink all the fireball. Smoke all.